Hey everyone! If you've been looking for a way to get that just left the dentist clean feeling every single day without the struggle of traditional string floss, you are in the right place. Today, we're checking out the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 model WP580. This isn't just another gadget, it's a total game changer for your oral health. First off, let's talk about convenience. This 2.0 version features a lightning-fast 4-hour rapid magnetic charging system. No more fumbling with old-school plugs, the charger just snaps right onto the front, giving you up to 4 weeks of battery life. And because it's 100% waterproof, you can actually use it right in the shower to save time and keep your sink completely dry. Whether you have braces, implants, or you're just focused on gum health, this Waterpik has you covered. It comes with 4 specialized tips, including the orthodontic and plaque seeker tips, allowing you to reach all those tricky spots that brushes and strings simply miss. With 3 different pressure settings, you can customize your routine from a gentle, soothing massage to a deep, powerful clean. It's even clinically proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas and is proudly ADA accepted. The design is sleek, ultra-quiet, and incredibly portable. It even comes with a premium microfiber travel bag and a travel water plug to prevent any accidental leaks in your suitcase. If you want a brighter smile and healthier gums with just 1 minute of effort a day, this is the ultimate tool for your bathroom. Click the link below for the best price and start taking better care of your smile today. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.